In this video, we'll take a look at some of the features in drawings just to make sure that everyone's on the same page. This should be brief. It's just about some of the quick display features in drawing views. So when I start a new file, I can insert model views. I can insert standard 3 views. I tend to do model view where I choose a front view, assuming it's in the proper orientation. And then I project my right view, top view, and isometric. Checkmark puts it in. And then I go around and I just make sure each view is correct. If I click on the first view I put in, it's going to allow that to be the parent display style. So when I add my hidden lines in my front view, I also get hidden lines in my right and top view. There are no hidden lines in this top view. It also turns on hidden lines in my isometric. So in your isometric, remember that you want that either visible lines only or shaded with edges. I don't want shaded without edges. That's not an informative view. And I don't want any hidden lines in my isometric because that reduces clarity. With my isometric, I also want to customize the scale to make it half scale compared to everything else. And I think that's pretty much it. Now, if you were having trouble and you forgot to do your isometric, for example, another thing you can do here is add a projected view of any view on this page. And so that would be one way to add an isometric after the fact. So then you can just, again, customize the scale. You do want to use your white space wisely, so arrange these views so that it's pretty evenly laid out on the page. And then final reminder is all of the information in the background is in the sheet format. So when I right click in the empty space, I can edit sheet format and my drawing views disappear. So this can be worrisome. If you save it like this and you come to reopen it, it feels like your drawing is missing, right? Here is where I can change name, scale, part file, etc. So anytime you come into a drawing that you were sure you did and is missing all of the views, check the upper right corner. This is my Edit Sheet Return button, and then it puts all the information back on the page. So I think that covers the basics for some of those sticky points in drawings. If you have more questions, please ask.